Welcome to Allen, Texas. Today we're standing in front of a 5-bedroom, 3-bathroom home with a little over 3,400 square feet. So let's see what $550,000 in Allen, Texas gets you. So one of the first things you'll notice as you walk in the home, huge high vaulted ceilings that allow for tons of natural light. In the kitchen, they've redone the countertops to granite, all of your stainless steel appliances, and a nice size eat-in kitchen. Look at the size of the playground for all of your furry friends. Not only is the backyard a great size, you also have very little maintenance. The kitchen has been renovated with granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, and a nice size eat-in kitchen. The open floor plan allows for entertaining and dining to occur at the same time. You do have your stand-up shower and also a large jacuzzi-style tub. Welcome to the master suite. So not only do you have this private, comforting, serene bedroom, but you also have a huge ensuite bath, master bath. Unique for this price point, you'll find dual vanities, a stand-up shower, and a large jacuzzi tub connected to a linen closet and a large walk-in closet. So upstairs, you're gonna find this amazing bonus space. Some people could use it for reading, some people could use it for playing games. If you wanna have your office up here, perfect space to do whatever you want with it. For access to more exclusive content like this one, go ahead and like and subscribe to the link below. If you would like to see this home before it's already taken, go ahead and give me a call at the number below. Thank you, and we look forward to seeing you again.